Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Model Explainer segment here on Weather Plus. We're looking at the upper levels of the atmosphere, and we do have a nice little cool down, a reprieve from the humidity as we go throughout the first part of the new week. Focus your attention into parts of Canada. That closed line that you see there, that is an upper level low. That's sitting through parts of Quebec and Montreal area, and we're going to see that funnel in some less humid air as we go throughout the middle of the new week. So, temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday, upper 70s, low 80s, still warm, but it's not going to be as muggy and oppressive as what we had over the course of the weekend. We'll fast forward 24 hours. That low begins to slowly lift its way off towards the north and east, and you can see a building ridge of high pressure down into parts of the southern plains. That 588 line that we watch in the summertime months for the heat and humidity begins to inch its way northward. So Wednesday afternoon, moving through parts of Illinois, southeastward into Tennessee. And by the time we get into Thursday, that line quickly races off through parts of Michigan, Ohio, and into the state of West Virginia. So the heat will start to build back in somewhat on Thursday. Higher humidity, higher heat, temperatures returning to the 80s area-wide, and no significant rain chances in the forecast after we get rid of a cold front early in the week. We'll get into Friday afternoon. Broad ridge of high pressure basically covering the eastern two-thirds of the country, and we see another stronger ridge building across parts of the plains. That 594 line you see off in the parts of Nebraska and then southward into the Oklahoma Panhandle. That's where some of the heat's going to really start to build up, and then eventually that's going to advect eastward as we head into the new weekend. We'll get into Saturday afternoon. Check this out. That 588 line all the way up into parts of New England, and the 594 ridge continues to build. Some impressive heat will be building as we get into the weekend.